I'm Neill Gorton, founder of Gorton Studio and Millennium FX. Gorton Studio has been a leader in industry education for film and television since 2003, and many of our students have gone on to have very successful careers working in prosthetics. We are really excited to be partnering Falmouth University in teaching this MA. The School of Film and Television at Falmouth has a fantastic reputation within the industry, and its alumni work internationally across many areas of film and television production. Also involved is Millennium FX, the multi-award winning special effects company I founded 20 years ago. Millennium is one of the largest and most prolific companies of its kind in Europe, and every year it contributes to numerous film and TV productions, as well as commercials, theatre, theme parks and live entertainment. Millennium FX utilizes both traditional and digital manufacturing techniques to create its prosthetics, its creatures, its specialist costumes and special effects props. And we'll use its knowledge of what's happening at the cutting edge of the industry to inform the techniques and processes you'll be using on the course. More and more, our industry is looking for hybrid artists. The course encompasses traditional skills and processes such as sculpture, mold making and fabrication, but also combines this with learning how to design and build in a virtual space and realize your creations as physical objects, utilizing CNC machining and 3D printing. These techniques and processes are also applicable to other fields such as prop making, model making for stop motion animation, theming environments and specialist costumes, as well as diverse areas such as orthopedic and maxillofacial prosthetics, or for creating medical simulation training aids. So the transferable skills you'll learn can open up many more career opportunities than you might have imagined. Falmouth is a specialist university for the creative industries, and its School of Film and Television is a perfect place for students to thrive, as you'll get all the benefits of being in a busy, vibrant and highly focused environment. I'm excited to be working on the teaching of this MA with the fantastic staff at the university, headed up by Andy Jewell. The facilities at the university are outstanding, so my advice is, if you're coming to join us for this course, make the most of them from day one, as you won't find better. You'll also spend time with my team at the Millennium FX workshops, doing practice-based learning in a professional environment with all the advantages that brings.